Okay, so we have ERDAS Imagine 2022, both mine and yours are the same version. Alright, and it does not have that kind of segregation in terms of whatever you work here. You can bring data from ArcGIS and I take data from here to ArcGIS. Both of them will work compatibly. Right, so we're going to start with the interface. Basically, I think that's what will happen in our syllabus. Okay, we have what is remote sensing, basic GIS. So now overview, interface, workspace, tool, and all that. So now what we want to do, basically we're going to spend the whole of the time there today is how to open layers in ERDAS Imagine. Now, if you click on File, and then you click on Open, now you see here it says Open Raster Layer. Now, what it means is it's an existing raster layer, which means it's an IMG format. You can also open a TIF and any other format that is a raster base. So it has to be a raster. So if I click on it now, it's going to go up, and anything that's a raster is going to open a dialog box. So click on your own. You see. So it's going to open up a dialog box like this, right? Now you see here is saying all file-based raster format. So anything that is a raster will open. If you do not want that, you now come and choose a file format here. But it's best you leave it at what? All file-based raster format. So from here you can navigate to your C drive to get any of the data of user as a raster. Go to your local disk C. Go to your GIS folder and your work folder. See your work folder open. Don't you have any satellite imagery? This is a satellite imagery now. It's going to come in, and then once it comes in, you see. So as far as it is a raster, it's going to come in. So I have Landsat imagery, so it's going to come in, right? So anything that is a raster, that raster layer opens it up. So if you bring it in, you right click on it now. Say fit layer to window. Fit layer to window. It will come and display. Fit layer to window. Alright? So this is how to open a raster. Let's go back to file again and explore. Then we have the open. Now you have vector. This one has to do with shapefile, anything that is a vector base. So let's click on it and see. So you see you have, bring that one in, any of them. Bring anyone. I don't want any of them actually. So you see, it came in, right? So anything that is a vector base, so I will just check for a vector file from here. have shapefile of Nigeria, so I'll just bring it. You see that it's going to cover everywhere. I drag this one up. So that is how you open them separately. I'll also show you another way to open them, but for now let's explore these options. Alright, so if I zoom this thing down, you see that there's a Nigerian file everywhere. Alright, so, oh sorry, I'm not in the, I'm not, it's like that one has closed. So I'll use the here now. So we have open again. Let's go back to open. If you have point cloud, you can also bring it in. I have point cloud, maybe at the cost of the trainer I'll show you. So point cloud, like the drone images of flow, what I'll get is a point cloud I'll use for my model and all that. So the AOI is area of interest. Area of interest. See it, if you put your mouse cursor, you see area of interest, AOI layer. Now, what this means is you use it to, shapefile. When you bring in a shapefile, you have to convert it to AOI for you to be able to use it to remove, like the clipping we do in ArcGIS. Here is called subsetting. So it's just subset it to a particular location. We also do clipping here as well. Just like we do clipping in ArcGIS, you do clipping here, but in this ERDAS, it is called subsetting. So what you use in subsetting is this AOI, alright? Annotation layer, I will not go into this one for now, but let's come down to our photogrammetry project. These are like their project. If you have, this software is a combination of remote sensing and photogrammetry. Yes. So you can do photogrammetry tasks, like you can do things like what is this called? I'll show you. Let's go ahead. Then we have 3-layer arrangement. Now, what this means is you want to bring in you want a 3-layer, a 3-box or something. Let's just verticalize it. So you see what I'm saying? So my system is running low. So I want to bring 3 files into here. Now you see I have band 1 to 4 and I click on OK. See what will happen. Do you get it? It's going to divide this into 4 places and put each of those bands there. So so you see they will all come out. So each band is standing in each of these layers. So for you to activate each layer is to click, let it show blue like this. Once it shows blue like this, it means that very layer is active. Yes. So this is how you can bring in data you can bring in like data to, maybe you want to analyze each band. So you bring in 4 bands, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you look at it band by band and all of that. So that's what you do with when you come to open and you say 3-layer arrangement. Then we have multi-layer arrangement. You have multiple band, like maybe you've done a composite. Alright. You've done a composite band and you want to bring them, so you can use multi-layer arrangement. Then I think the rest are something we don't need to bother ourselves about because I don't know much about these ones. But these are the main things we can take hold of when it comes to the software. All right. Now on new is basically to, if you come to new, you are either opening a map view or a spatial model editor, or you're opening a 2D view, or you're opening a 3D. So it contains everything in one. Okay. So if you come down to the 2D view, we have the AOI layer, we have vector, we have count, feature, footprint, and all of that. Then, now, let's come to closing this. You can just check here, check and close. Or you right click on it, then right click. Oh, I've not clicked another thing. So right click on it and then you look for close view. Yeah. Or close view. You remove all the active layer. So you see, active layer will, okay, it's the layer that will go. Just what is inside. If you remove this clear view, but if you say close top layer, that's when it will go. Do you understand? It's the file that's inside that will go. So if you want to close the layer, you come here and do what? Click. So you see to remain 3. Click. To remain 2. Click. To remain 1. So for the last one, you just come to the layer and remove the band. So you just remove the band. Remove layer. So it will go and leave this one that is there. So we'll be able to learn how to open and how to close layer. Whether it's a vector layer, a raster layer, or any otherwise kind of layer, we've been able to learn how to open them. Any question? Okay.